You'd think there's enough trouble in the world, wouldn't you? Never-ending wars here, there and everywhere. Britain thinking of dropping out of the EU. Louis van Gaal getting sacked like that. We've got enough on our plate as it is. But just when you think things can't get any worse, they do. The dog's not well. I think he's always had some kind of mental health issues because he's a plain simple nutter. And his short-term memory's so short that he forgets everything before he can even remember it. Now he has eye trouble. Well, again, he's always had some kind of eye trouble because whenever we take him for a walk, he's always trying to get into other people's cars, gardens, houses and what have you. But this time, it's conjunctivitis. And he was at the vet's yesterday for the eye to be medicated and cleaned, and he's come home with a cone collar fitted. He doesn't like it. He keeps bumping into things because while he's wearing the cone, he finds it difficult to judge where obstacles are. We're having to hand feed him because it's so large he can't get at his dish through it. And when he drinks, as he lifts his head up from the dish, he spills it, so the carpet's wet through. Now you've seen Joe before on these videos. Lively. He looks like he's been injected with the St Vitus dance serum. But not with this corn on. All he does is lounge about the house, moaning, whinging and whining because he wants shut of it. I'm not well myself. Diabetes and blood pressure problems are plaguing me, and Joe's troubles are only adding to the stress. I'm having to help with the hand feeding and I'm putting up with this constant whinging and whining for the corn to come off. And you should see the bills. I bought cars for less than I've spent on him this week. And you know what the worst thing about it is? I can't even get Sky Sports on his satellite dish.